Hello guys, welcome back. So this is a very short lecture. If we continue with our pace, so in this lecture I'm going to explain you some of the MCQs and a little bit of programming in Dev C++. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. See this first question. So what would be the output of this question, of this program? Okay, this is nothing but we have declared a library file, a main function and an integer, and we are printing that integer again. So the options is 0120, B120, C syntax error, D 80. What would be the output? Okay, I am eliminating an option syntax error here because you can clearly see that there is no errors in here. Yeah, most of you may not guess the correct answer. The correct answer is option D 80. Okay, this is the correct option. But how? Let me try it in Dev C++. You may see that the output contains 80 as the output, but you cannot find 80 in the programming, right? You have declared 0120, so it should be either 120 or 0120. Okay, but why is it getting 80? Okay, so guys, there, if you place a 0 before, it will be an octal declaration. Okay, octal number declaration. So it will convert the octal number to decimal number and it will give us the output. I'm not going to explain how this octal number conversion, but the point I'm telling you is if you place a 0 before a number, it will convert to an octal. Okay, it will take the input as an octal, but when we see the output, it will be the changed octal number. Okay, so octal numbers are only from 0 to 7. Okay, so if we add any 8 here, okay, 0820, what will happen? 820 is not an octal number because it contains 8. Octal number should only contains the numbers from 0 to 7. So what will happen now? See, there is an error because there is an 8. There is no 8 in the octal. Okay, so the number should be 0 to 7. That's it. Okay, it will show the output now. Yeah, and coming to the next question. The next question is, yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah, this is the question. So there is a declaration of int main and this is the float value, and I have done a small calculation here and I'm going to print this. Okay, so what is the output? There is no syntax error. There is no syntax error in options also. So yeah, yes, most of you may guessed it correct. This is the output. Okay, why not option A? Both are same, right? But we are printing this float number, not an integer number. If you give the output as an integer %d, then it would be option A. If you give percentage of, this would be option B. Okay, so how is this output? Okay, let me confirm you in the compiler. Okay, so copying this and I'm going to see minus 23.0000 is the option. So this should be calculated using BODMAS rule. You all may be experienced, right, with BODMAS rule. So we should calculate this by using BODMAS rule. Okay, using BODMAS rule, the output would be minus 23.0000. Okay, and yeah, the next question would be this thing. Hash include stdio.h int main, and we have declared int a equals 12, int b equals 8, and printf %d comma a plus b. So what would be the output? The options are syntax error due to typecasting, syntax error due to printf statement, syntax error, and the option C is 109 and option D is 120. What would be the output? Can you guess? Most of you may be wrong, but the output is 109. How is it 109? We haven't declared anything like 109 or anything here, 109 minus 12 or anything here, but how are we getting 109 here? So before that explanation, I'm going to confirm you. Okay, I'm going to open Dev C++. I'm going to copy and paste that. Execute. 109 is the answer, but how is 109 the answer? There will be no mistake with typecasting because characters can be converted directly into the integers. Okay, you can see that in the lectures I have explained already. So it will take the ASCII value. Okay, so what is the ASCII value of A? Not the capital, the small a. Okay, let us find it in the next question. See, the next question is write a program to print all the ASCII values. So how to print the ASCII values? I'm going to delete all this. Okay, so how am I going to print it? ASCII values are basically the characters, right? The characters converted into integers. That's it. So I'm going to declare a character and I'm going to write a for loop for int I equals 0, I less than 256. Okay, ASCII values are up to 256, 0 to 256, and then I plus plus. And now I'm going to print all these characters into integers. That's it. %d, comma, what I have to declare here? ch, right? I'm typecasting ch. Okay, you can see the output now. There are a lot of zeros. And why is that? Can you guess why is that? See, ch equals ch plus 1. See the output now. This is the output. So %d, okay, we are not printing %d here. We should print %c, character. Okay, so now what will happen? See this, there are a lot of stuff which we do not know. See this, see all of this. So instead of printing in this way, I'm going to declare %d, okay, equals %c, and I'm going to give the space like tab space. Okay, tab means 8 spaces and it is represented by \t. And what is this %d? This %d is nothing but I, comma ch. Let me show you the output now. See, this would be beautiful and you will know for what integers what are the ASCII values. See this. For 1, this is the symbol, sad symbol. For 2, see this, a smiley face. And for 3, there is a heart symbol. And for 4, there is an we can say parallelogram, rhombus. Okay, for 5, for 6, for 7, 8, 9 and 10 there are no values. Okay, for 14 you can see here, for 15 this symbol, 16 this symbol. So you can see 65 is capital A. From 65 to 90 there are alphabets from capital A to capital Z, and you can see the small a at 97. So 97 to small z you can find somewhere here. See, 122. These represents the small case alphabets. Okay, so this is how we can print the ASCII values, and you can directly see here for what value what's the ASCII value, for what is for 1 2 3 4 5 6, you can see up to 255 254. Okay, so these are basically all the ASCII values. Okay, you can print the ASCII values in this way. See, it's so beautiful. You have so many symbols here. You can see so many symbols. Okay, for suppose, see, yeah, this is the ASCII values. So the next question is, you now came to know how to print the ASCII values, right? The next question is, can we print infinite heart symbols? If yes, how? How can we print infinite heart symbols? So open the Dev C++ again, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this for loop. Not going to delete this, but I'm going to write infinite loop. You know, right, what happens if we do not write anything by only giving these two symbols. Okay, and I'm going to print the infinite. What I'm going to print, a percentage C, right, character. We need to print characters, percentage C, comma, we have to typecast. What we have to typecast? We have to typecast the 3. You already seen the third symbol is heart, okay, in the previous question, the third symbol. Okay, I'm typecasting 3 as character, and I'm going to print this. So what happens now? Will there be any syntax error? Let us check. You can see there is the infinite heart symbols. You can just press this. Don't do this for a long time. You will be running out of memory and it may clash your program. Okay, so see now, yeah, infinite heart symbols. You can print any symbol. Okay, instead of 3, let us see 13. What is 13? There is nothing for 13, I guess. And for 21, let us see for 21, what is the ASCII value? Yeah, this is the symbol for 21. You know, in the last programming, we have seen all the ASCII values. So don't remember this. Okay, don't remember the ASCII values. You should remember the ASCII values for only the alphabets, the uppercase and lowercase alphabets only. Don't try to remember any other ASCII value. Okay, that will not be useful for you in any future. Okay, you just need to Google it. What is the symbol for ASCII values? Okay. So in the last lecture, you have seen the ASCII values, right? You can keep all those numbers and you will be seeing the infinite numbers printing. Okay. Yes, guys, that's it for this lecture. Let's meet up in the next lecture. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.